In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the reminder notifications or any kind of browser notifications that you get on Facebook. So let's say that you have turned on a lot of notifications. You get birthday notifications, you get any kind of status update notifications, anyone tags you, you get that notification. So if you are tired of those notifications and you just want to turn that off, here's what you need to do. First of all, just go to your profile icon, click on the top right hand corner and click on settings and privacy, and again click on settings. And on the left hand side, we can see this preferences where you get this option of notifications. Click on that. And there you have this reminders. You click on it and it says allow notifications. If you toggle that off, you don't get any kind of notifications. And if you want to further customize it, let's say that you want to allow it and you only want the email notifications, not the push notifications, not the SMS notifications. So you can individually turn that on or off, and that is about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.